Aizol amadi New Delhi anigi marakki aeroplane gi service hengat hananaba lokholaba khongthang ama oina ngarang dagi hona Aizol dagi New Delhi anigi marakki service hana leiramba service dagi saruk ani hengat hankre masigi dema ngarang Mizoram Chief Minister Lal Duhomana Indigo flight service nomada anirak lainaba hongnabi matungina Lengpui airport gi hawdokre Indigo gi service hawdokpagi thoram aduda Indigo gi special director RK Singh MP Richard Wallahamangya, MLA Ais Laljir Liana, Chief Secretary Dr. Renu Sharma, Mizoram Civil Aviation Department के official सिंह अमदी Indigo Airlines की मिहुत सिंह नसरुक याकी ngarang dagi hona Aizol amadi New Delhi ani gi marakta flight ki service saruk ani hengat han ki bagaloina na chayol amada flight service manga leirambadagi tarada hengat halagani numit khuding flight service leiragani loina na ahenba service oina yumja kaisa irai amadi Nomaijing numitasu Indigo servicing leiragani Yumlo Nariba State Nagaland Meghalaya amadi Mizoram da mapalam dagi niyom kaina sanglaba mitom sing khangdok nabagi thabak lokhal aliba du uraga Manipur dasu Manipur lengaki maikai dagi state asibu ngak senaba amadi mitop sing masak khangdok nabagi thabak yang na changchili haina Manipur gi Chief Minister N Biren Singh na hairi ngarang numidang social media platform kharada thagalakiba post amada N Biren hai mitop sing changlakpa thingnaba maru oiba mafam sing maru oina mau gate amadi jiriwangi entry point sing da akan ba thabak lokhali masina landam asida mitop chakchilakpa amadi lamdam asigi ngak sel gi thabakta akai pihandana ba thabak paikhali maram masina aikoi khuding mangna lamdam asigi yelongwi sing amadi lamdam asigi apunba integrity bu ngak senana ba amata oina hona minarasi hairi Numit kharani asigi manungda ukrul gi mafam kayada thiba humbagi thabak chathabada ukrul district police na handakta ukrul police station dagi lokhiba khuchu khulai ayamba phangba ngamkhre tha asigi anida ukrul da thokhiba lamgi wahaudagi misi mina kaya yaukhiba thongdok aduda yamlaba miyam amana police station asimakta dagi khulai kya lut tawkhibani lut tawba aduda carbine ani insas rifle taruk 9mm pistol nipan AK rifles ahum SLR.
Police responded very seriously to bring law and order back to this important hill district headquarters, Ukhrul. And in this, the civil police, the MR, the Assam Rifles, the BSF, and so many others, including the leaders of the two villages, have cooperated. And now we are seeing 2nd October onwards till now. During that, on that day of 2nd October, the Ukhrul police station, who is right here, was looted by the agitated mob, and 20 weapons were taken away. With the help of the various security forces in the search effort, and also with the cooperation of the civil society organizations and public leaders, we have been able to recover 80% of the looted weapons. This is something unprecedented and noteworthy and praiseworthy for all those who have played a very positive role, bring back normalcy as well as to ensure law and order in this hill district. And I want to mention the headman Hunpun village and all village authorities for the cooperation, Chairman Hunpun Executive Council and his colleagues, HKL President and his colleagues, Hunpun Chunaolong, social workers, Somatai Saija, Khayirula, Yalui Chinkai, Madam Soso Saija, Agnes Saija, Commander 10th Sector, Assam Rifles, with his officers and personnel. They have been
Akang nabo paamo phangbadagi ngasi ayuk angan matamda Kaksing District Police, Sugnu Police, Nefuga Taruk Suba Assam Rifles ke apun batim amana Singtongi mapam singda thiba humbagi thabak chathabada chieng hapnaba khawjaw amagi manungdagi masing yamlaba khuchu khulai kya phangba ngamkhre khuchu khulai sing aduda maru ahum biawba magazine amaga konana SMC carbine ama .9mm gi pistol ama .36 ICE gi hand grenade ahum Tear smoke grenade ahum 2-inch ki mortar ama detonator ama kapthokraba M16 gi baru ahum AK gi toning tara mathoi 303 rifles ki toning ahum 12 bore cartridge ani lethot ki empty case ama bullet proof base ama yauri hari Assam Rifles amadi Mizoram gi Champhai amadi Siaha district ki excise and narcotics department ki apun bakutpu amana ngarang Myanmar macha ama yauna mioi anidagi yamlaba senpamgi oigadaba heroin amadi methamphetamine tablet kaya fagat pangamkhre hairiba apunba tim asina ahanbada Champhai district ki jote dagi malem gi kaithel da lupa lakh marfu ga manga lising marfu manga rom senpam oigadaba heroin number 4 fagat ki tungda siaha district tagi Myanmar macha ama yauna bioi ani dagi methamphetamine tablet gram lising amaga chamapan marfu rom fagat ki hariba tablet sing asichu malem gi kaithel da lupa crore taruka lakh humpu ga manga rom gi senpam oigani hari fagalaba mayai ka ba chinjak sing adu excise and narcotics department ki miyoi singda sinakre hari